Students, as we have read in our previous module about the reversible, irreversible changes and man-made and natural changes. I hope you must have understand because this is very simple chapter. Now in this module we are going to read about the physical changes and later we'll read about the chemical changes. You know children, reversible and irreversible itself meaning somewhere we are including physical and chemical change. So in previous module we have read about the physical changes, reversible and irreversible changes. So we have read children in irreversible changes, there might be a change in internal structure of a substance, means the substance will not remain same as was earlier after change. चेंज होने के बाद जो सब्सटेंस है वो अपनी प्रीवियस स्टेट में वापस नहीं जा सकता है, दैट विल कम्प्लीटली विल बी चेंज क्योंकि न्यू सब्सटेंस फॉर्म होता है. एग्जाम्पल, द इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एन एग चेंजेस ऑन बॉइलिंग. जब हम रॉ एग होता है इट्स इन लिक्विड फॉर्म, यू कैन सी द यॉक एंड वाइट पार्ट of that egg, but after boiling it it gets solid because the internal structure of egg of an egg has been changed. वो अब चेंज हो चुकी है and we cannot get revert back the same egg back. However, it is not always so. Tearing a paper, right? Tearing a paper is irreversible change, children, because if we have teared the paper we cannot get the same paper back. But is there any internal structure change of paper? No. The internal structure of paper is remain same. Paper will be paper. पेपर को कोई चेंज नहीं हुआ है, ओनली द साइज ऑफ पेपर हैज़ बीन चेंज. द प्रीवियस स्टेट जो एक्चुअल स्टेट थी पेज की पेपर की, दैट इज चेंज. So this is also irreversible change, but it is called physical irreversible change because physical and no internal substances changes, but the shape has changed which cannot be reverted back. So this is physical irreversible changes. Now here you can see some example that cutting a piece of paper, peeled orange, tomato slice and haircut. In all four these changes, children, you can see the structure of the substance will remain same. There is no change in internal structure, but the only thing what, yes, external structure can be changed. If we have peeled the orange we cannot get the same orange back. If we have sliced the tomato we cannot get the tomato back. So this is the reason they are called physical irreversible change. Children, sometimes the change which happen by their own but they are not desirable because they are doing something bad are called undesirable changes because these changes are result of wastage of food. Like we can say souring of milk and spoiling of food, rotting of an egg are the irreversible changes which are not desirable, which because यहाँ पे हमारे क्या होता है, फूड की वेस्टेज होती है. सो these changes are called undesirable changes, जिनकी कोई नीड नहीं है, कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है. These are undesirable changes which we don't want. Now here comes physical change. So I told you that tearing a paper, kicking a football, making vegetable soup, freezing of water to form ice, these all are example of physical change. Each of the above activities means tearing paper, kicking a football, freezing of water, all activity. Do any activity result in a change in the internal structure of a substance? No. Is any new substance, new material is formed? No. The answer of all the question is no. So these are the characteristics of physical change कि physical change में क्या क्या changes होते हैं which we can include. So first it involves a change in the physical properties such as color, odor, size, temperature, texture or state of a substance. Odor means smell. So if the substance is changing its color, odor, size, temperature and their texture or state, it is called physical change. It can be no change in the internal structure. The internal structure of a substance will remain same always, right? There is no change in its internal structure. नेक्स्ट, नो न्यू सब्सटेंस इज फॉर्म, द सब्सटेंस विल रिमेन सेम, जो पहले था वही रहेगा, लाइक टीयरिंग अ पेपर, पेपर विल रिमेन पेपर. नो new substance is formed. When we are saying that burning of a paper, then yes, it is not physical change because ash is formed, which is new substance, but tearing a paper is a physical change. They are usually temporary and can be reverted. Temporary because जो चीज़ वापस अपने बैक फॉर्म में आ सकती है, that is temporary because of some time. We can keep that for some time. It is not permanent. So physical changes are temporary. However, all not all physical changes are reversible. I told you some are irreversible. Example, bursting of balloon, tearing of paper, breaking of glass are some of the physical changes that are irreversible. Evaporation, boiling, melting, freezing are physical processes. In each process, in these process, right, melting and freezing are physical process, but in these process there is a change of state due to the टेम्परेचर चेंज होता है तो वाटर फ्रीज हो जाता है, और उसका टेम्परेचर चेंज हुआ तो फ्रीज आइस वाटर में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है, बट देर इज़ नो चेंज इन द केमिकल कंपोजिशन ऑफ वाटर. वाटर विल रिमेन सेम वाटर. बाय चेंजिंग द टेम्परेचर ऑल ऑफ दीज चेंजेस कैन बी रिवर्ट. मतलब आइस को हम वाटर में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, वाटर को वेपर में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, एंड वेपर को अगेन वी कैन कन्वर्ट इनटू आइस. मेल्टिंग ऑफ आइस, इवापोरेशन ऑफ वाटर, क्रशिंग अ कैन, मिक्सिंग sand and water, hot becoming cold, water, milk, whatever, glowing of an electric bulb, and inflation of a hot air balloon are some common example of physical changes that are reversible, means which can be revert back. So now in this module, I think physical change is clear very well. Now on this, based on this module, I have given you two questions. First is, what is physical irreversible change? So the answer of this question also I have given in this module. The change which cannot be reversed back, but they are physical, they are called physical irreversible change. Here you can see these changes are called physical irreversible changes. Means the physical structure of a substance can be changed, but there is no change in internal structure. Those changes are called physical irreversible changes. Second, what are physical changes? Give example. So the changes which only physical properties of a substance changes, but there is no change in a chemical composition, is called physical change. And here you can give example. Here I have given you 3 example, and I have told many example. You can write down any example by your own. Also you can write down example. Thank you, children.